Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review something which is a mystery box to me. I'm not really sure what it is. Let's check it out together. It's called Tesmax Intelligence in Every Connection. So whatever it is. So what is written? It's their company vision, basically uncompromising quality. Every product reflects our dedication. Well, fine. Lifetime product warranty. Well, blah blah. Good. Let's check it out. Let's see what we have got in here. I have no idea about it. Well, that was the last thing I would have expected actually to see. So this is a stripe band, or I'm not really sure what is this called, but I know this is something that when you tie something with it could be used. I would open one of them. Maybe we can give it a try. So let's check it out. I'm not sure how many pieces are inside it, so I didn't see anything on the box. Nothing written here, at least. Interesting. So usually at least they should write how many pieces. So this is how it looks like. I can't really comment on the quality, but to me looks quite flexible. I know this thing from many products packaging, and they are usually very tough and very sharp. This is pretty smooth and soft, I would say. And well, this is how you put it inside. So when you return it, when you pull it out, it should get stuck into the product itself. This is from, well, this side. So this exactly. So I cannot remove it anymore. So it's one way basically to tighten this. And well, it is quite strong. I'm just trying to open it. It just doesn't work well. I could say it's very flexible, so it doesn't cut the hand. It's not like a knife. Many of them, they are really sharp, I would say. And yeah, that was a very quick video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos coming up. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And see you in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.